Even though spray foam roofs aren't really well known in the Colorado area, they've been around for over 40 years, and there's a large presence of them from a couple decades ago, but there's a lag in the understanding of them. One of the most important parts as spray foam roofs begin to make a resurgence in the Colorado area is that you need to hire a contractor that knows what he or she is doing. Spray foam is making a resurgence, and even though there is an obvious lag of understanding spray foam roofs, or even that they exist, they've been around for 40 or plus years, and they're beginning to make a resurgence in Denver and the greater Denver area, primarily because building owners and architects, developers, general contractors are looking for alternative methods to the typical membrane roof with all of the material shortages that are going on. One of the things that we've been stressing to those considering spray foam roofs, there are a lot of benefits and it's superior in a lot of different ways, but make sure your contractor, your spray foam contractor, knows what they're doing. It's an unregulated industry which has its pros and its cons, but the cons of it is that any cowboy with a spray foam insulation machine and rig could potentially be selling roofs where they don't actually know what they're doing. So make sure you do your due diligence. Because it's been around for so long, all manufacturers have their specifications and their UL tests, and there's certain things that they need to abide by if they're going to be installing your roof.